Hi, this is Gerald with 5 reasons why you should ditch the detergent and switch to natural soap flakes for your laundry. First, let's talk about ingredients. Soap flakes are made from natural fats and oils derived from plants. They're free from harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances found in many detergents. That means soap flakes are gentle to your skin and your clothes, reducing the risk of irritation and allergic reactions. For those with sensitive skin or allergies, soap flakes are a safer and more comfortable option. Next, let's talk about environmental impact. Soap flakes are biodegradable, so they're less likely to contribute to water pollution compared to synthetic detergents. Using soap flakes helps reduce the chemical load on our waterways, protecting aquatic life and promoting a healthier ecosystem. Now let's talk about your clothes. Soap flakes are less abrasive than detergents, helping to maintain the quality and the color of your fabrics over time. By using soap flakes, you can extend the life of your favorite garments, keeping them looking new and fresh for longer. Another benefit is that soap flakes produce fewer suds, making them perfect for both hand washing and machine washing. Less suds means less residue left on your clothes and in your washing machine, leading to cleaner rinses and a more efficient laundry process. And finally, let's not forget about cost. Soap flakes are often more affordable than many brand name detergents, providing a cost-effective solution for your laundry needs. So there you have it. By using Pure Clean Essentials Pure Laundry Soap Flakes, you're making a choice that's kind to your skin, kind to your clothes, and kind to the planet. Give them a try and experience the benefits firsthand.